And it so happened that there was a substantive love from your batch who recalled us, who recalled me in fact. And I could not resist the immense love given by your batch. And I would like to propose one of the most important girls of your batch who did propose to me, and I shall distribute chocolates to the entire batch. I love you, Gauri Krishna.
Excuse me. If you want to speak, you can go to principal. Entire batch will come with you.
Yeah, you can come
in front of the
How come you proposed to me?
When did I propose?
Why did you say? Did you say that I love you, Mama man?
Excuse me.
Did you say that?
When did I propose?
There is a CCTV image.
Okay, show me that. Show me that.
Okay, I'll talk to you tomorrow in the
I don't want to talk.
It's okay. Guys, you can have chocolates.